Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Wall scanner from Parkside. This is the performance model PPOG 120A1 with up to 140% greater localization depth compared to the regular model for checking walls, ceilings and floors before drilling. Max localization depth 120mm on metal, 38mm on wood and 60mm on electrical wires. Measuring accuracy to object center is more or less 10mm. The display is 2.8 inch, accessories included, and with a huge warranty 5 years. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Manuals, if you want to read, is your choice. 3 2A batteries included. It's not rechargeable. You need batteries. On a lovely bag for storage. Wow, that is huge. For your belt. Very thick bag. It is the performance model. Handle, soft elements around. Here it is the sliding surface with a sensor area. Marking aid, and of course here it is the battery compartment. Here we have another sliding surface and you can install the batteries. I like it. It feels very robust. Marking aid at the top. So there is the display. Let's remove the protective film. And we have 5 buttons. The on-off button here, the button for the signal tone, the calibration button, button for the metal mode, and the button for the objects mode. Press once and it is on. We have one signal light here at the top and we can choose the object or the metal, or we can make a calibration. Now when you are on object mode, it's not suitable for brick walls, concrete or cement walls, only for blastboard and drywall. When you choose metal, it is suitable for brick, concrete or cement walls, and not suitable for plasterboards or drywall. And obviously you can detect live wires at your wall before drilling. I have just installed this drywall and I have a gap 6 cm from the table. Metal, 1 rebar, instantly respond. Here we can see the indicator signal strength. Left and right we can see the position display. Here we can see this icon, it is the display non-magnetic or magnetic metal. Press this button, disable the sound. Enable again. And it is on 6 cm, very accurate. 10, 12, maximum 12 cm. Green light. Orange, solid, red, solid. Center. I like it. Sound off, 6 cm. Sound on again. Moving up. 11. 12 cm and it will stop. Wow, that is a very good sensor. Off. Now let's test for live wires. Sound on. We can see the icon for live wire is flashing. We can go to object and we can calculate. There's the button. Oh, there it is. I like it. Works amazing. So let's test it at the wall. What I like most is how easy it is to use, the clear display and the added peace of mind it provides before drilling into walls. If you ever held a drill up to a wall to hang a heavy shelf or a TV mount and felt that sudden wave of anxiety that you might hit a water pipe or a live electrical wire, this scanner is worth every single penny. It completely removes the guesswork. It's incredibly accurate, gives you clear visual alerts, and lets you map out what's behind your walls before you make a costly, dangerous mistake. For a fraction of what a professional repair bill will cost, it gives you absolute peace of mind, with a cost only €30. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to receive updates on more tool reviews, DIY projects, and workshop testing. Thanks for watching, work smarter, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.